were actually paralleling each other. Without the weather conditions, there would be no conviction in this case.
A flash flood watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 80 degrees under cloudy skies. Today, thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. High 89. Chance of rain 80%. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Tonight, thunderstorms. Low 72. Winds light and variable. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday, rain and thunder. High 82. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Here's our 7-day outlook.
With so